Hi, Rap.
Hello.
I'm vlogging. Sorry. Wala sa plano pero bigla.
Kita ko kanina eh.
Oo nga. Kasi ganito. Kasi mamaya ka pa naman, diba? Coding ka pa. So kakain muna tayo. Ngayon, meron ako ritong gustong kainan kasi. Noon pa. Since nandito ka na rin naman lang, subukan muna natin. Ang problema ko kasi parking napupuno siya as in. So hopefully, may parking para makakain tayo. Kung hindi, lipat tayo sa ibang venue. Hindi ako mag-vlog doon. Pero pag meron dito, tuloy yung vlog. It's near. The place is parang tago eh. Nagulat lang ako kasi I was eating downstairs. Tapos sabi ko, ba't may mga pumapasok? Nung una akala ko baka kitchen lang yun. But after a while, ang daming sunod-sunod na mga pumasok, mga bata. As mga mga early 20s, mga ganyan. So, tinanong ko yung staff, what's in there ba? Ba't parang ang dami yatang pumapasok? And nagulat ako, may stairs pa na pataas. It's a different restaurant. So, susubukan natin.
Restaurant.
Yes. You eat oysters naman, no? Yeah, it's an oyster bar.
Oyster bar?
Yeah. Kita ko na parang ang dami ng mga sasakyan. It opens at 4 p.m. until 1 a.m. yata sila eh. Ayun sa may Goto Tendon.
Yun.
Yeah. We were eating at Goto Tendon. Tapos yun nga, doon ko na nakita na may mga pumapasok na mga bata. And then all the while I thought it was the kitchen kasi beside it, nandun yung counter nila kung saan yung ordering. Usually kung nasan yung ordering, nandun yung kitchen, diba?
Kumusta Goto Tendon?
Ang sarap. Nagustuhan ko yung iced coffee nila. May bakante ba? Uy, yun! May bakante! Yay! Very good! Yeah, dito tayo para siguradong ayan. I'm here in Mandaluyong City, and today, we will explore this hidden oyster bar along Boni Avenue. Dito tayo sa Eat Miro Oyster Bar and Kitchen. Tinawag siyang Eat Miro from the word Eat Me Raw. So tara, explore na natin. Tuki ka! So here's the menu of Eat Miro Oyster Bar and Kitchen. Of course, hindi mawawala ang oysters. Everything looks yummy. They have appetizers. The spam fries is calling me. For their main dishes, medyo mahirap pumili. Ang daming masarap. The pasta, yummy. The pizza, yummy. Of course, hindi mawawala ang alcoholic drinks. Meron din naman silang non-alcoholic drinks. For our first order is the truffle fries. Tikman natin. Truffle fries. May aroma. Aroma ng truffle. I have to put this, dito, dipping sauce.
Excited na ako sa next menu. This is the spam fries. The presentation, kasama po talaga ang kanang spam with ketchup and mayo. Excited na ako. Dip in ketchup muna. Then sa mayo. Spam. Next is the oyster sisig. Grabe, looks yummy. Haluin na muna natin yung egg habang mainit. Then, lagay naman natin yung kalamansi. At halu-haluin natin. Excited na ako. Ang crunchy ng crunchy ng oyster sisig. Pwede mag-order ng rice? Ayan, ano gusto mo? Plain garlic. Isang plain. Tuloy lang kwentuhan while enjoying our meal. Spam. Next is the Four Cheese Pizza. This is similar to Two Seasons Boracay's famous delicious combination of blue cheese, cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Oh, lasang dagat.
Lasang dagat pa siya pa. Yun yung binabayaan.
So susubukan na natin itong Four Cheese Pizza. At naglaro pa talaga ang bata. Tikman na natin. Ano siya ha? Parang may blue cheese. Have you tried? Anong lasa? Parang may blue cheese eh. This one oh. I don't know, parang... I love this pizza. I'm a cheese lover and I really can taste the blue cheese, the cheddar cheese, the mozzarella, and the Parmesan cheese. Para na din ako nasa Boracay enjoying the Four Cheese Pizza at Two Seasons Boracay. Next is the ribs and tendons too. Grabe, looks yummy. Just look at the sauce. Best with rice talaga. And the meat looks tender. Subukan na natin ang tender ng beef. Syempre, with rice. Sarap. Heaven. Ang lambot. Grabe. Sarap talaga kumain after work. Next is the black truffle pasta with a yummy garlic toast on the side, black truffle cream, and topped with caviar. Wow!
Try to taste the caviar.
As is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Konti lang.
Okay lang.
So titikman na natin ang caviar. Melt in your mouth. It's melt. Pag tumama talaga sa loob ng dila mo, nagme-melt siya. Compare doon sa orange, na pag kinagat mo, medyo parang nagpa-pop. Eto, melt in your mouth. Tapos medyo dagat yung flavor. Dagat yung lasa. It tastes like dagat. Susha, tastes like dagat. Oh my God. Oh my God. So we're going to mix the pasta. Medyo hirap kami i-mix. Parang kailangan ng isubo ito ng diretso. How's the pasta? Sinasabi sa akin ng pasta,
Okay talaga.
eat me, eat me, eat me. Black truffle pasta. I love truffle. Yung aroma, malalasahan mo yung aroma. Aroma amoy, di ba? Pero parang malalasahan mo yung aroma. Twirl lang ng twirl. Twirl lang ng twirl. Sarap ng pasta. Carbs, okay lang. Minsan lang naman. The bread. The bread. Ganyan sumubo ang masiba. Cheers, pero hindi ko minom. Hydrate with water. Next is the butter yaki. It's a lightly battered pan-seared oyster in olive oil, butter, and garlic. Subukan na natin. This is the butter yaki. Aber. Husgahan ko na yung butter yaki. Kung yaki nga ba siya talaga. Lasang oyster. Syempre. Save the best for last. Ang oyster Rockefeller. Baked oyster topped with butter, parsley, onion, spinach, and parmesan cheese. Rockefeller. Husgan natin itong Rockefeller. Mainit! Husgan natin ang Rockefeller. Amoy, alam ko na ano amoy. Amoy sunog na buhok. Sarap. Masarap siya. So guys, I highly recommend Eat Mero Oyster Bar and Kitchen here along Bonnie Avenue, especially for oyster lovers out there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!